Good day guys, this is Dennis, and today I am going to be showing you how to power clip an image in a simple yet effective way. The first thing we are to do is to import our shape, and mind you, this can be used for any other irregular shape. The next thing is to add gradient to our shape to create texture within it. So the next thing is to import our image, which I'll be using the conventional image from photo room. Now, the next thing is to position my image so as to apply a nice power clip into it. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is to make sure that I lock both of them and blind the first image, and come back to the background and see this first shape. So the next thing then to do is to unblind this and also save. So finally, I blind both of them and re-import the first shape image that I saved, which is on recent, and I'll get it from recent. So that's the image, and I'll just come down here and expand to full. So I am going to be texturing this now. So come to texture, add texture, then select on this image the texture, the shape. So the next simple step is just to come to this very shape, bring it above it, lock this, and select this to unblinding, and then come to it, go to the background, add some textures to the background, which I'll be using this, and then come back to the object pane, and then click on a mask. So if you click here, it's mask out. So mind you could adjust your mask to whatever desired part you want in your image to be power clipped in the shape. So I click OK. So afterward, I could add some sort of floating icon if you want. So by creating shape, then come into gradient, and just select it in random, then click on the middle, then just come to this edge, and then fade it off, and adjust this delimiter here, and then click OK. So if you click OK, you can just deform the image a bit, and I really don't do this. We just drop it down a bit, and then make use of color for that. So I could use a black color if I want, then bring it down a bit, try to position it in the middle, then click on create. And that's just it. So I hope this was helpful, and let me know in the comment, and then don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for viewing.